Air Vocal Distortion is one of the best plugins to add odd harmonics and overdrive harmonics, higher end distortions to your vocal. I have started with Vocal Dist here, Vocal Dist 1. This is from presets. So let's get started. Here I'm trying to achieve to a more polished vocal for this genre. Let's check the vocal first.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit.
It has distortion, but it could take benefit of a little touch of distortion for higher frequencies too.
Zolling down to sabotage.
So this preset is not what I want. Let's reset this.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they.
So this input and output high pass low pass filters are useful for maybe a send return channel, for a fixed vocal channel, not for lead vocal. For lead vocal, I will usually keep them intact. Actually, you might cut some of the lower, extremely low frequencies that this distortion might add, but other than that, it wouldn't have much use to engage these high pass low pass sections.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired of that pussy shit. Like, tired of these kids that think they ever fit my shoes. You gonna lose. Summertime, flowers bloom. Yeah, my shit is hot as June. This pursuit, we gonna boom it. I've been faded, straight cruising, yeah.
See, this was activated by default, and I heard that there is some high dip or high cut on this vocal. And then I said, it shouldn't happen. It usually shouldn't happen. This is a vocal distortion, is designed to have full spectrum frequency distortion control. So it should have been filter's fault that I didn't pay attention to.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired of that pussy. Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired.
It's a little bit more distorted and it has some great colors to it. It lost some of boxiness as overdrive effects make your audio material loose. And it has better high frequencies.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm.
So how to achieve a good audio quality, good sound with this plugin? This plugin could be a little bit hard to work with, but after you know your tools, it would be so interesting and so rewarding working with it. So we have three knobs here. The middle one is output, left is drive, right is mix. You will work with drive and the mix most of the times. Output is just a finalizing point for adding gain or dipping gain for this stuff. Me personally, I add mix on 100%, then start adding drive.
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire.
As you can hear, when I'm at 50%, it is on extremely overdrived situation. When I'm going lower to 25 or 6%, it still has that audio quality. It is like the vocal is amped. But when we go lower,
Zolling down to sabotage. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all.
This is where magic happens. And I will usually start decreasing mix.
Zolling down to 7 times. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired of that pussy shit. Like, tired of these kids that think they ever fit my shoes. You gonna lose. Summertime, flowers bloom. Yeah, my shit is hot as June. This pursuit, we gonna boom it. I've been faded, straight cruising, yeah.
And you can get this amazing vocal quality, vocal distortion from this plugin. Actually, there might be better to be a double stage for drive, because the single stage is so aggressive. Maybe another stage would be here, another knob would be here. If Air Music technology listens and likes this idea, if there was 2 drive knobs, first would add subtle distortion as much as I'm seeking here, adding a little bit of drive, and second one adds more distortion for the first stage, like Kelvin plugin that has 2 stages of distortion and drive. Kelvin is designed by smart minds. It is brilliant. Kelvin by Tone Projects. That plugin is just amazing. It has tube simulations, transformer simulations, or pure digital odd and even harmonic enhancers that could make a lot of beautiful changes to your work, to your audio material. Second stage is added to first stage. Here we need that too, because vocal distortion isn't just about getting a distortion for trap style music. Trap style is usually heavier on distortion. We need pop distortion, we need maybe metal distortion. Metal is heavy too. We are not talking about heavy distortion. Maybe soft pop or soft rock. They need lower distortions, subtle distortions, but they need it. Those distortions could be achieved by using preamps or FET compressors or VCA compressors while being recorded. But doing it on the project freely as much as you want is another thing, and it's really enjoyable. That's just what I think. I hope Air Music Technology listens, because this plugin is amazing and it could be even more useful with these changes. So my friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.